Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the new Dollar General ad for next week. Plus I have the new PNG insert, so we're going to preview that, and I'm going to do a giveaway at the end of the video, so make sure that y'all stay tuned. But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so jumping on into this video, we are going to take a quick look at the new DG ad for next week. So all of the prices and sales will begin tomorrow on Sunday, May the 29th. And then we also have the new PNG insert, which will come out in tomorrow's Sunday newspapers. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned until the end because I will be doing a giveaway, and we're going to give away some of these PNG inserts. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right in. We're going to go over the DG ad first. So as y'all can see on this first page, we have a couple of drink deals for the Dr. Pepper and Coca-Cola and Sprite products. We have a sale on the Clover Valley bottled water, 24 count. We have a sale on the General Mills or Kelloggs cereals, 3 for $6, so that's a pretty good price at $2 each. Down here, not a whole lot going on. Some of the regular coupons that we normally get for Tide, Extra, Angel Soft, and Sparkle paper towels. Moving on into the middle here, we have some more drink deals. We have a sale on the Outshine Popsicles for $3.50. Fritos are going to be 2 for $7. We have the Betty Crocker Hamburger Helpers. They're going to be on sale 3 for $3, so that's a pretty good price there. Over here we have some candy deals. We have not a whole lot on this page here. Alright. Moving on into the middle. We've got some summer items here. So sunscreen, bug spray, citronella, fuel, bug, ant and roach killer, fans, socks and underwears, all that good stuff. Down here at the bottom we have pet food deals. So we have a sale on the Purina Bacon Strips, 2 for $9. Looks like we're getting a coupon for the Pedigree. And over here we have Meow Mix and Friskies cat food. Now here in the middle, a couple of things stood out to me. So we have last minute Memorial Day deals. So y'all can pause and read each one if you would like to. We have a sale on the grills. They're normally $22. They're going to be on sale for $20. Here is a deal that really stood out to me. So we have the Kingsford Original Charcoal 8-pound bags. They're normally $8.50, but they're going to be on sale for $5. And I am pretty sure that we have a coupon. May or may not attach to those 8-pound bags. It's something that I'll have to double check and let y'all know about tomorrow. But that's a pretty good deal. $3.50 off just with the sale alone. Then we have the Dixie paper plates, or Dixie plates, 2 for $7. We have the Hefty plates, 3 for $6. Alright, we already went over all of that. Moving on over here, we have some True Living products up there at the top. We have all of our new PNG coupons that we're going to be receiving, and a lot of the digital coupons that we receive are also going to be the same as what we get in our inserts, okay? So y'all keep that in mind. The new PNG insert is going to come out tomorrow. So we're also going to get our new digital PNG coupons, and that goes for all of the stores. So Dollar General, Family Dollar, Walgreens, wherever you coupon at. Make sure that y'all clip those coupons to your accounts. And then down here at the bottom, a couple of more. So we are getting a 25-cent coupon for the Charmin and Bounty products. I think this month we had a one-off one, so hopefully y'all stocked up with those one-off one coupons for the Charmin and Bounty products. Alright, we've got Irish Spring. Looks like a $3 coupon for the Old Spice, 1 off 2 for the Secret and Gillette, a 5 off 2 for the Pantene and Nutrients products, a 3 off 1 coupon for the Gillette, a 3 off 1 for the Venus, DG Health and Rexall bandages, buy one get one free, or buy one get one 50% off. 50 cents off one for the Colgate toothpaste. There's a couple of sales on the Breeze, Composure, Gentle Steps. We're getting a 1-off-1 coupon for the Rexall, $1 off for the DG Health Allergy. There's a sale on the Kleenexes. They're normally $1.60 each, but they're going to be on sale 3 for $4. 3 for $4. All right, and then on the back here, we have Pepsi 6-packs and 12-packs. We have Tide Simply, Arm & Hammer, Airwick, $1.50 off 1. Here's a really good coupon that I'm looking forward to receiving. It's buy one of the Fabuloso multi-purpose cleaners and get the wipes for free. Now that is a digital coupon. It is not a sale, so you will have to clip that to your account in order to get that deal. All right, we've got some sales on oil and car things, Rain-X, Fix-A-Flat. We have Microban sanitizing sprays. These are normally $6 each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $11. And we have a really good deal on Scott Comfort Plus bath tissue, 12 count. These are normally $5 each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $8. And we still have that instant savings going on for when you spend $15 on Scott brand products. You're going to instantly save $3 at the register. That does not expire until the 11th, I want to say, if I'm remembering correctly. So that should be a good deal, something to keep an eye on. And make sure that your notifications are turned on, because we have in the past had a glitch with this sale on the bath tissue. So turn on those notifications, and if I find anything out in the morning, or whenever I go to DG tomorrow, you guys will be the first to know about it. So turn on those notifications. Now let's go ahead and jump into the new P&G insert. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and do a quick flip through of the new June P&G insert. Again, this is 2022. Father's Day is right around the corner, so don't forget about that. We have up to $70 worth of savings inside. So I'm going to flip through this. I'm not going to go through and read you guys line by line. If you need to pause the video and read it, feel free to do that. And I'll try to keep this as in focus as I can. The colors are kind of going crazy on me today with this phone. So we have buy one and get $3 off of 1 for some of the Old Spice products. We have 1 off 2 for the Old Spice deodorants, lotions, and soaps. We have 1 off 2 for the Olay products, so soaps, bar soaps, all that good stuff. We have 2 off 1 for the Secret Clinical or Gillette Clinical deodorants. We have 1 off 2 for the Secret and Gillette deodorants. We have, if the paper will cooperate, 3 off 1 for the Venus razor, 3 off 1 for the Gillette razors or refills, 5 off 1 for the Gillette Labs exfoliating razor or cartridges, 1 off 1 for the Pantene products, 3 off 3 for the Pantene products, 5 off 2 for the Pantene nutrient blends. We have 2 off 2 for the herbal essences. We have 5 off 2 for the Always Discreet. We have Metamucil 1 off 1, Prilosec 2 off 1, 50 cents off 1 for the Boost, and 2 off 1 for the Nerve Vive. So here are the 2 expiration dates that y'all need to keep in mind for all of these P&G coupons. About half of them will expire on 6/11. The other half will expire on 7/02, okay? So y'all keep that in mind with your P&G coupons. Now the digitals are totally different. The majority of the digitals last all month long. So, all right, we've got a 1 off 1 for the Oral-B manual toothbrushes, 1 off 1 for the Burt's Bees adult or kids toothpaste, 50 cents off 1 for the Fix-A-Dent, 1 off 1 for the Crest toothpaste, 2 off 1 for the Oral-B adult or kids battery toothbrushes. We have 5 off 1 for the Oral-B replacement brush heads, 50 cents off 1 for the Crest or Scope mouthwashes. We have 1 off 1 for the Cascade Action packs, tubs, 30 count or larger. 1 off 1 for the Cascade Rinse Aid, 50 cents off 1 for the Cascade Action packs. This is on the smaller counts, so 30 count or smaller, I do believe. Where it says 4 count or larger. Okay. 1 off 1 for the Swiffer products, 25 cents off for the Charmin and Bounty products, 25 cents off for the Puffs facial tissues, 25 cents off for the Charmin flushable wipes. And here are the Tide and Downy coupons that I no longer get in my area. But if you're like me and you don't get them, you can print them off at pngoodeveryday.com. So there you go. Tide and Downy. Looks like they went back to the old way of doing things where they had a 1-off-1, a 2-off-1 for the next step up sized Tide, and then the 3-off-1 for the largest size. Alright, and we also have some gain coupons in the P&G this month. So again, y'all can print those off at pngoodeveryday.com if you don't get them in your area. So a 1-off-1 and a 2-off-1. We have 2-off-1 for the Febreze Unstoppables, 1-off-1 for all the other Febreze products. We have 50 cents off for the Dawn Power Wash, 1-off-2 for the Gain Dish Soap. And last page, we have a 3-off-1 for the Olay Regenerist Facial Moisturizers, a 1-off-1 for the Olay Facial Moisturizer, and a 3-off-1 for the Derma Geek Serums. So that is it for the new P&G insert for June 2022. Alright guys, so now let's talk about this P&G insert giveaway. First of all, I do want to say thank you all. Thank you to each and every single one of you all for supporting this channel. Thank you for clicking on my videos. Thank you for leaving kind and beautiful comments for me every single week. I love it. It really does keep me going. It brightens my day. So I truly do appreciate each and every single one of you all. So thank you so, so much. I cannot say it enough. Now, second of all, this is our normal P&G insert giveaway. So anytime I receive the P&G inserts early, I like to give a few away. So I'm going to choose 2 winners to receive 2 of the P&G inserts for June 2022. And I will be choosing those winners on Monday or Tuesday in the Good Deals and Glitch List video. So third, if you guys want to enter to win these new P&G inserts, all you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notifications and make sure that they are set to all. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Next, hit that thumbs up button for me. It will just take a second, I promise you all. And leave me a comment down below. I'm going to ask y'all a question here in just a second. And then please share the video. Share it to a friend, share it to a family member, share it to yourself. It really doesn't matter who you share it to. As long as you guys hit that share button that's right down below this video, that will tell YouTube, hey, this video is worth watching and it's worth sharing with my friends. So that will put this video into some other couponers recommended lists. So if you guys could do all of those things for me, that will be your ticket to enter to win these inserts. Alright, now as for that question that I want y'all to answer down in the comment section, just leave me a comment and let me know what is your favorite store to coupon at. Now I know for a lot of us, that store is Dollar General, but I also know that since all of the confusion with the 5 off $25 coupon, people have been trying out different stores. So let me know down in the comment section, what is your favorite store to coupon at? Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and like I said before, make sure that y'all stay tuned because I will be announcing the winners on Monday or Tuesday whenever I upload the Good Deals and Glitch List video. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned for that and do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.